Hey everyone, I got another quick video here from the mini bed experimental garden. You can see my spinach bed there looking really fine. We'll be starting to trim the outer leaves there. In fact, today would be a good day to start eating spinach, I think. Come over here and I've got my onion beds. They've been mulched with the rye and the onions are starting to grow. Over here I've got chard, 5 hills of chard in there, and they're starting to poke up and look good. But what I want to really show you is over here the cabbage. I planted here, before I do the cabbage, I'll show you. I planted the peppers yesterday, 4 peppers to a bed. Got 4 beds of peppers down through there. But here this morning I'm planting some cabbages. I typically do 4 cabbages to a mini bed, and in the process of doing this, I just enjoy so much seeing this soil. This bed, most of these beds had rye in them. You've seen the previous videos, I assume, where I pulled up the rye and talked about rye as a cover crop. But look at the roots. This is what I want to show you. These amazing rye roots all through the soil, and it holds the soil together. And once the rye is pulled, these roots become food for the soil, microherd, the biology in the soil. And it's just a beautiful thing what that rye does. Look at that. You gotta love it. That is all through these mini beds as a result of planting the rye cover crop. So that's it for today. I just had to share with you this beautiful result of having a rye cover crop. Thanks for watching, everybody.